Hey guys, yeah, the popsicles are done frozen, so I'm going to show you what they look like. Unless you haven't seen my last video, and it's still loading, I guess, so this is what it's going to look like. One, a little blue, I guess. Oh yeah, go Falcons. Number two. I'm going to wash these off. Just wash them off like this. They'll get a little bit more sleepy. You see? You see? Come on. Tastes like the real thing. Orange. And green. Oh yeah, leave a like unless you like candy sticks. Candy sticks. Leave a like unless you like candy sticks. Yeah, candy sticks. Or what's it called? Double bubble. Unless you like double bubble. Double bubble. There you go, the kid on the double bubble. Kind of like the picture. Well, leave a like and subscribe. Hey.